I'm on my morning walk and we're going to try and record this. It's actually kind of rainy, so we'll see how it goes. But I've started doing something on my morning walks, which is I'll use Lovable and I'll use Wisprflow, and I'll just start coming up with ideas of things to build and make, and then I'll prompt them into existence while I'm kind of out in nature and on my morning walk. It's been really fun. So we're going to try it today. And this project that we're going to do is a Mother's Day inspired project. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and let's launch Lovable. I'll put myself up in the corner and kind of away. And then let's go ahead and start prompting. We'll use Wisprflow because it's faster to talk. All right, so I want to create an experimental, kind of artistic Mother's Day app. And what I want is this invisible word mother, completely covered with monarch butterflies. And I want to use the library MediaPipe to capture the user's facial expression and features as inputs. So this way we can tell if the user is glowing on the screen or smiling. If the user blows on the screen, blows on the word mother with all the butterflies, then the butterflies will scatter around, fly, and then kind of resettle on the word mother. And then when the user smiles, I want to go from a dark mode to a light mode, with the light mode being a blue sky and clouds. And what I want to do is pull all of the assets, animations, and mechanics from the project Flutter graph so that we are really specific about what it looks like and how it behaves, and get exactly what we want. Okay, so we've got our first prompt. We're gonna go ahead and we're in plan mode. We'll start there and we'll press enter and we'll just let that cook. And hopefully at the end of this, we will have kind of this beautiful Mother's Day inspired application that responds to the user's kind of emotional and facial inputs. It will be kind of just very wild and experimental and hopefully very beautiful too. It will probably take a few more prompts just to really fine tune it and get it to where I want. And we'll continue to use Lovable and Wisprflow in order to do that. And I do have to say, being able to use the mobile app and Wisprflow specifically together has really made it so that I can bring ideas to life anywhere I am. It's been a really fun experience, and I've done some wild things. I like to use a lot of interesting inputs and gestures, like hand gestures with MediaPipe specifically. And it's kind of funny because, I'll be on my walk and I'll be gesturing at the screen, and then people will actually think that I am waving to them. And they're really happy about that, and I wave back again and they wave to me. So I've also made some friends in the process. All right, we'll come back. Let's approve the plan. Well, first let's take a look at it. All right, we'll just do a quick scan and hit approve, and then hopefully it comes back with something that we can use. I'm pretty confident it will, because it always does. All right, see you guys later.